Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Enable Hyper-V or install VirtualBox, and make sure you have an ISO, 4+ GB RAM, and 20+ GB free disk. Open Hyper-V Manager or VirtualBox. Once done, select New to create a virtual machine. Name it clearly so you recognize the role later, and choose Generation 1 or 2 depending on OS support. This first step starts the VM creation workflow and ensures the host can run nested virtualization if needed. Now configure the VM, allocate RAM and vCPUs, balance performance and host needs. For common desktop use, choose 2 cores and 4096 MB. Create or attach a virtual disk, picking VHDX for Hyper-V for resilience, and set the disk size to at least 20 GB. Attach the ISO as the VM's optical drive so it can boot the installer. Configure networking. Choose NAT for simple internet access, or bridged if the VM must appear on your local network. Once configured, finish by installing the guest OS from the attached ISO, follow on-screen setup, and then install guest additions or integration tools to enable drivers, clipboard, and shared folders. Make a snapshot before major changes to recover quickly. If the VM fails to boot, check the ISO path, ensure generation and secure boot settings match the OS, and verify the host has sufficient free RAM and disk. If networking fails, toggle NAT versus bridged and reboot the VM to reinitialize drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.